I'm going to replace the spark plugs on the 3V Mustang. They are known for the two-piece spark plugs that break off. Was very nervous and hesitant to do it myself. But I bought a set if they break that I can take it out myself. Bought the better version Ford spark plugs where it does not happen. Make sure the engine is warm. Use heat-resistant gloves. Turn off the engine and unplug everything. Had sprayed stuff into the engine 2 weeks before to ensure that the black deposits in the engine would reduce and the spark plugs would come loose more easily. It worked well. Spark plugs came loose very easily, even one that was too loose. Take a look with a camera in the engine to see what the cylinders look like and spray the deposits immediately into the cylinders with black deposit remover. Lubricate the shaft of the spark plug with anti-seize, which should ensure that they no longer get stuck. Be careful not to lubricate too much on the screw thread, very little. If you put too much on it, you may tighten too much and the screw thread may break or it may come loose again. Now hope it starts again. Immediately replace all ignition coils. The Ford spark plug box states how tight you have to drive the spark plugs with a torque wrench.